Hey guys, Russell Liebowitz here, founder and owner of Recruitemy, where we help people start recruiting companies from scratch, give you the entire formula and recipe A to Z, teach you how to get new clients, how to source candidates, and how to scale your operations internally. So for those of you watching this video, safe to assume that you're looking for ways to start your recruiting company without any recruiting background. And can this be done? The answer is yes. I have worked with countless members who had zero recruiting background when they started their recruiting business. Anywhere from real estate brokers, teachers, project managers within the IT industry, medical professionals, all worked with me to start their own recruiting business from day one and had incredible success. So how do you do this? Where do you start? My opinion is you always start with finding an amazing A-player passive candidate that you can then market to a targeted list of clients. And I'll teach you exactly how to do that. It's called our MPC strategy, most placeable candidate. We actually create this incredible looking webpage that you're seeing right now where we market these candidates to specific hiring managers that need to hire these candidates. We even include a video of the candidate to give the client a taste of what your candidate can do and what they will do for this hiring manager going forward. So in the first 7 days, I'm gonna dive into your LinkedIn account. Guys, I don't really care if you have a website. Do not get hung up on that. I work with a lot of members who never had a website and are 7-figure billers. What's most important is how you present your LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn is where you wanna be right now to grow and scale your recruiting business. Over 800 million users in over 32 countries are on LinkedIn. There's no other channel that you wanna focus your efforts on than LinkedIn. Good news for you, I'm a LinkedIn expert. I'm gonna teach you how to run very targeted campaigns. And when you join Recruitemy, you'll be part of our LinkedIn co-op, which is gonna help you get exposure and clout with your LinkedIn content posting. So I'm gonna help you post every day, Monday through Friday, at least one post in the morning. And then we're gonna boost your post with over 100 likes and 20 comments and some reshares or reposting, which will give you more impressions, which equals eyeballs on your LinkedIn profile and on your content that you're putting out there on LinkedIn. Why is this important? Well, it's important for you to get your brand out there. I would argue that you and I are both better salespeople than Kylie Jenner, who makes over $1 billion a year. But why she's so successful is because she knows how to brand herself and her products. And a lot of recruiters and agency owners fall short in that area. They're just not sure how to brand their offering, how to really penetrate their niche within LinkedIn. And we're gonna teach you and show you how to do that. And most importantly, boost your profile and boost your content, which is gonna give you a ton of credibility within your space. All right, guys, so where do you wanna start? Where do you spend your money? Guys, don't worry about a website. I know a ton of people within our membership and other agency owners who have never had a website and make over $1 million a year. Do not get hung up on that. It's just static. What you're gonna need going forward, what I would recommend as a software stack, is LinkedIn and then Sales Navigator, which is their premium product, which is gonna cost you about $100 a month. Obviously an email service, whether it's G Suite or Microsoft, just choose one of those. A laptop, a cell phone, go ahead and get incorporated, which is gonna cost you less than $1,000 depending on where you live. And you're off to the races. That's all it takes to start your recruiting company with no experience. If you're thinking about getting into temp staffing, which is like the contract to hire, the try before you buy, there is a barrier to entry within that model, and it's a little more expensive, which we can touch on. You're gonna need money for insurance premiums, for workers' compensation, general liability, and then funds to support your payroll every week, knowing that you're gonna be functioning like a bank because really your payment terms are gonna be net 30 with your clients. So there's gonna be a float of cash that you're gonna need if you want to explore that model. My advice, wait for that. Jump into direct hire staffing, engage search or retain search, get a few placements under your belt, maybe have about $50,000 in your bank account, and then redistribute those profits into temp staffing if that's where you want to go. It is a great model. The residual factor is fantastic, and it's actually very attractive to buyers down the road if you want to sell your recruiting agency. All right, guys, so let's recap. What do you need to start a recruiting business with no experience? Go ahead and get incorporated. Don't need the website just yet. Save your money. LinkedIn Sales Navigator, an amazing A-player passive candidate that you can start marketing. That'll be your product, your inventory that you can start marketing to a targeted list of clients. The beautiful thing about recruiting companies is it's not expensive. There's no overhead, there's no parts and pieces and inventory or warehouse cost or transportation costs. You're dealing with human capital. So it's very easy to get profit quick and to redistribute that profit to keep growing and scaling your recruiting business. Another tool that you may need to source candidates and recruit candidates would be Indeed, specifically Indeed Resume Search, which is gonna run you about $300 a month. But this opens up their entire database for you to start sourcing candidates that you can start placing at companies. So there you go, guys. For literally less than $2,000, you can launch your recruiting business with no experience. You can work with me for objection handling, what you can expect to face with clients, the questions they're gonna throw at you, how to answer them the proper way, how to navigate a client from start to finish, so you can start working on really good qualified requisitions, as well as how to source candidates, how to navigate the candidate call as well, because there is an art and a science to that. You want to save your time and protect your time, because a lot of candidates are going to try to waste your time. I'm going to teach you how to be very efficient with your business and how to protect your time. Hope that helps, guys.